Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching. Today's title is How to Introduce Yourself in English. In this video, you will follow a story about two Japanese friends, Ken and Mina. Mina has a job interview, and she has to introduce herself in English. She feels very nervous, and she is worried about making mistakes. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer while watching the video. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When you feel nervous, what should you do? The answer is mentioned in the conversation between Ken and Mina. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Ken. Do you have a little time right now?
Hi, Mina. Yeah, of course. What's wrong?
I have a job interview next week.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations.
Thank you, but I'm really nervous.
I see. What are you nervous about?
I have to introduce myself in English.
Ah, I understand. That can be scary.
I don't know what to say, and I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's very normal. Many people feel the same way.
Really? Even people who speak English well?
Yes, even them. Introducing yourself is stressful for everyone.
When I imagine the interview, my heart beats fast.
That sounds tough.
My hands get cold and my head feels empty.
I've felt that before. You're not alone.
I keep thinking, what if I can't speak at all?
It's okay to feel that way.
But it's an interview. I want to make a good impression.
Of course, that's natural.
I studied English for many years, but now I feel so small.
That happens when pressure is high.
I wish I didn't feel nervous.
Actually, nervous feelings are not always bad.
First, it's very normal to feel nervous. Your body is trying to help you.
Help me? How can nervousness help me?
When you feel nervous, your body becomes more alert. Your senses become sharper.
Alert.
Yes, your brain releases special chemicals. These chemicals help you focus and react quickly.
I never thought of it that way.
If you are not nervous at all, you may not focus enough. You might miss important details.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Sometimes people who are too relaxed make small mistakes. They don't prepare carefully. They don't pay attention to the interviewer's questions.
I see. So some nervousness is actually good.
Exactly. But there is another problem. If you are too nervous, your body becomes stiff.
Yes, that's me. My whole body tenses up.
Your shoulders rise, your breathing becomes shallow, your voice becomes weak, and your mind goes blank.
Exactly. It's like I forget everything I prepared.
That's because too much stress blocks your memory.
That's scary.
So the key is balance, not too relaxed, not too tense.
Balance. But how do I find that balance?
Many people say, don't be nervous, but that advice is not very helpful.
Why?
Because you can't just stop feeling nervous. It's like saying, don't think about elephants.
That's true. Then you only think about elephants.
Instead, notice the feeling. Say to yourself, I am nervous right now.
Just that?
Yes, don't fight it. Don't judge yourself for feeling nervous. Just notice it.
That feels easier.
When you notice it, you can look at yourself calmly. You separate yourself from the feeling.
Like stepping back.
Exactly. You're not the nervousness. You're the person who notices the nervousness.
That's a different way to think about it.
And practice helps a lot, too. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Practice until when?
Until you feel, I can't practice anymore. I've done everything I can.
That sounds hard.
But it gives you confidence. You can tell yourself, I prepared as much as possible.
So I won't have regrets.
Right. And remember, even with nervousness, you can still perform well.
Ken, can I ask you something else?
Of course. What's on your mind?
What is the most important thing in a self-introduction? Is it using difficult words?
Many people think it's the words. They memorize complicated sentences. But actually, that's not everything.
Really?
There's a famous idea called the Morabian rule. Have you heard of it?
I've heard of that, but I don't remember the details.
A researcher named Albert Morabian studied communication. He found something interesting.
What did he find?
When people communicate, the words themselves are only part of the message.
Only part?
Yes, people get information from your face, posture, and voice. Your body language and tone matter a lot.
Not just words.
Right. Think about it. In Japanese, too, you think about how someone looks when they speak.
That's true. If someone looks down and speaks quietly, I feel they are not confident.
Exactly. Even if their words are perfect.
So what should I do?
So stand up straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, look at the interviewer, and smile a little.
Even if I'm nervous?
Yes, a small smile is enough. It doesn't have to be a big smile.
But won't they notice I'm nervous?
Maybe they will, but that's okay. A smile shows you were trying. It shows you were friendly.
My voice gets quiet when I'm nervous.
Then speak a little slower. Take deeper breaths before you speak. Slow speech sounds confident.
Confidence doesn't mean perfect English, right?
Exactly. It means believing in yourself. It means showing respect for the interviewer.
I always thought I needed perfect grammar.
Perfect grammar is good, but connection with people is more important.
Oh, and one more thing I want you to remember.
What is it?
When people feel nervous, they often speak very fast.
That's me. I rush through my sentences.
But speaking fast doesn't help. It makes you sound more nervous, and it's harder for the listener to understand.
I didn't know that.
When you speak slowly, you sound calm. You sound like you are in control.
Even with simple English?
Yes, slow speech gives a good impression. It shows you are thinking carefully about your words.
That's good. I was worried my English was too simple.
Simple English spoken clearly is better than complicated English spoken quickly.
That makes sense.
Another benefit is thinking time. You can organize your thoughts while speaking.
That sounds helpful. Sometimes my thoughts get confused.
When you speak slowly, you have time to choose your next words. You can even correct yourself if needed.
Really?
Yes, you can also take short pauses. Silence is not a mistake.
Really? I always thought silence was bad.
No, a short pause makes you look thoughtful. It shows you are considering your answer carefully.
I feel less pressure now.
Remember this: slow is confident, fast is nervous.
Slow is confident. I'll remember that.
Now, let's talk about the content. What should you actually say?
Yes, please. I have no idea what to include.
You don't need a long speech. A self-introduction should be about 30 seconds to 1 minute.
That's short?
Yes, just follow a simple structure.
Okay, what structure?
First, your name. This is the most basic information.
That's easy.
Second, your current situation. Are you a student? Do you work somewhere?
I see.
Third, your strength or interest. What are you good at? What do you enjoy?
That's harder.
It doesn't have to be special, just something true about you.
Okay.
Finally, a closing sentence. Something like, "Thank you for listening," or "I'm excited to be here."
That sounds manageable.
Let's try it. Imagine I'm the interviewer.
Okay. Hello, my name is Mina. I am a university student. I study economics. I like working with people. Thank you for listening.
That was great.
Really? I made mistakes. I paused too much.
But your message was clear. I understood who you are.
But my grammar.
Your grammar was fine, and even if you make small mistakes, it's not a big problem.
Is not?
No, the interviewer wants to know about you. They don't want to grade your English.
That's a relief.
Let's practice a few more times. Each time, try to relax a little more.
Ken, what if I mess up badly? What if I freeze completely?
That's a good question. Let me tell you something interesting.
Okay.
Remember the peak end rule. Have you heard of this?
No, what is it?
Psychologists discovered something about memory. People don't remember everything equally.
What do you mean?
People remember the strongest moment and the ending. They remember the peak in the end.
So the ending matters most.
Yes, even if you make mistakes in the middle, if you finish well, people remember that.
That's interesting.
So if you mess up, take a breath, smile, and continue. Then finish with confidence.
Like saying I was nervous?
Exactly. You can say something like, "I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous today, but I'm very excited to be here."
People like honesty.
Yes, they do. It makes you seem more human, more real.
That makes me feel better.
And remember, even professional speakers make mistakes. Everyone does.
Really?
Yes. The difference is they don't panic. They acknowledge it and move on.
I can do that.
I know you can. And there's one more thing I really want you to remember.
Okay, what is it?
The interviewer is not your enemy.
Sometimes it feels like they are.
I know. They sit across from you, they watch you, they ask questions.
It feels like a test.
But they are not there to judge your English. They want to know who you are. They want to see if you're a good fit.
Not perfect English?
No, they want honesty and effort. They want to see your personality.
So mistakes are okay.
Yes, how you react is more important. Do you panic or do you smile and continue?
I see.
Think of it this way. The interviewer is also a person. They probably felt nervous when they had interviews too.
That's true.
They want you to succeed. They want to find the right person. Maybe that person is you.
So it's not a fight.
Right. It's a conversation. Two people talking and getting to know each other.
That changes how I see it.
Good. When you think of it as a conversation, you feel less pressure.
I can talk to people. I do it every day.
Exactly. This is just a conversation in English.
Thank you, Ken. This really helps.
You're welcome. You're going to do great.
Mina, long time no see. How have you been?
Ken, I had my interview. It was last week.
How was it? Tell me everything.
I was very nervous, but I noticed the feeling. I told myself, I am nervous right now.
That's great. Did it help?
Yes, I didn't fight the nervousness. I just accepted it.
Good. What else?
I stood up straight, kept my shoulders relaxed, spoke slowly, and followed the structure we practiced.
Nice. How did the interviewer react?
They smiled at me. They nodded when I spoke. It felt like a real conversation.
That's wonderful.
I made mistakes, but I didn't panic.
That's a big win. What kind of mistakes?
I forgot a word once, but I paused, took a breath, and used a different word.
Perfect. That shows you can think on your feet.
At the end, I said, "Thank you for this opportunity. I was nervous, but I enjoyed talking with you."
That's a great ending.
I don't know the result yet, but I feel proud of myself.
You should. You did well.
I learned something important.
What's that?
I learned that I can do hard things, even when I'm scared.
That's the most important lesson.
Whether I get the job or not, I grew from this experience.
That's a great attitude. I'm proud of you too.
Thank you for all your help, Ken.
Anytime. And hey, when you get the job, let's celebrate.
Okay, I will.
I believe in you, Mina.
I'm starting to believe in myself, too.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something useful today. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When you feel nervous, what should you do? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with simple conversations and helpful tips for English learners. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really makes me happy and helps this channel grow. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.